Hey, what's up? Matt Wolf here. Today, I want to talk about Twitter. Now, when it comes to Twitter, one of the big issues that I have is thinking of thoughtful, interesting replies to tweet on other people's tweets. You know, it's common wisdom that in the early days of building up a Twitter account, you need to actually reply to a lot of other people on Twitter in order to get any sort of engagement on your own Twitter. And I don't want to just go and write tweets that say, hey, great post or great thread. I want to actually put out thoughtful tweets. Now, a tool came across my radar for the Future Tools website called Replai. And what this tool claims to do is to write thoughtful, meaningful replies on other people's tweets. Now, I haven't played with this yet. I haven't installed it yet. I don't even know if it's going to work well yet or not. We're going to find out in this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to futuretools.io. This is my site. I personally use it whenever I'm trying to remember or think of a tool that I want to use and mess around with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to the search bar and just type Twitter. It's going to show me all the tools that are going to help me with my Twitter game. And I'm going to click on Replai. That's R-E-P-L-A-I. And let's go ahead and visit the Replai site here. This site claims get 10x Twitter growth with AI generated replies. And it's a Chrome extension. Let's take a look at the pricing here. So they do have a free account that gets you 10 replies per month. Then they have a starter account for $7 a month. They get you 150 replies and so on up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just install the Chrome extension and we will just test the free account and see how things look. And let's go over to Twitter and see how this works here. So let's scroll my news feed here and look for something that looks interesting to reply to. So here's one from, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce the name, but it says amazing use case of OpenAI embeddings model by Riley to Masek. Now you can ask any question to Huberman Lab and his AI replica will give you personalized answers with Google level accuracy. Okay, so first of all, that's awesome. Now let's go ahead and reply on this one. So I'm gonna click on it, tweet your reply, and here we go. This is what the Chrome extension looks like it did. So this is the first time I'm seeing this, so this is pretty cool. So positive, joke, idea, disagree, or question. So let's go ahead and post something positive because I think this is really cool. Thanks for sharing, Riley to Mask. It looks like Huberman Labs AI replica can give personalized answers with Google level accuracy. Really impressive stuff. All it did was sort of regurgitate what was there. Wonder if I delete this here. Will it try again? I don't want it to just to just reply. This sounds incredible. Looking forward to seeing what comes of this. Let's see, let's put an idea here, see what it does. Check out Huberman Labs AI replica. It's powered by OpenAI embeddings and answers your personalized questions with Google level accuracy. All right, that's just sort of a, you know, a regurgitation again. Let's click joke, see what this does. Whoa, Huberman Lab and Riley Damask must have struck a deal with Google so they can answer questions like the big G. With OpenAI embedding this model, it's like having a personal Google in your pocket. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. I'm not gonna disagree because I like it. Let's see what happens if I do a question. That's incredible. How did Huberman Lab build an AI replica with Google level accuracy? So far, I'm not really liking any of the replies, but let's go ahead and try this again here. This is incredible. Thanks for sharing, Riley to Mask. It looks like a really useful tool for getting accurate answers quickly. All right, let's go ahead and use that. I'll just reply to that one. Based on the pricing, I don't know if I just used multiple of my replies or if I just used one. I'm gonna have to go and find some more things to reply on. All right, so here's one from Noah Kagan. One of the best lessons I've learned from a 70-year-old billionaire. In your 20s, experiment. In your 30s, refine. In your 40s, execute. In your 50s, relax. I like that. I turned 40 in a couple months here. So I'm in execution mode already though. All right, so let's click tweet your reply. Let's go ahead and put positive, see what it says. That's great advice. Thanks for sharing. Boring. Let's do joke, see what it says. In your 60s, invest in rocking chair and good pair of slippers. That's the best lesson from a 70-year-old millionaire. Let's do a joke again, that was good. Your 60s, retire. 70s, vacation. 80s, grandkids. 90s, sleep. 100s, well, you just have to keep going. If you don't know what to post on Twitter for a reply, you can just kind of keep hitting these buttons until you get something that you like. Let's go ahead and see what it does if I ask a question. What do you mean by experiment, refine, execute, relax? No, it's never too late to learn and experiment. You can refine and execute at any age. There's no expiration date on having dreams and working to achieve them. I mean, I agree with that, but you know, I'm not gonna be negative just for the sake of being negative here. All right, so it actually wrote something that's too long for Twitter. So maybe some refinement there needs to happen. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw something positive in there. Great advice, experimenting, refining, executing, and relaxing are all key to success. Yeah, so I'm guessing that's like 2 tweets now that I've used of my 10. I wonder what the AI would do with this. People who quit their job to day trade. Now there's actually text in the image. I don't know if this reply is gonna get the context, but let's go ahead and do a joke and see what it says. They must be looking to gamble their way to riches. How risky, but good luck to them. It can't read the image, so let's go ahead and keep scrolling here. All right, so Justin Welsh here says, it feels like 90% of being a solopreneur is taking small but uncomfortable risks constantly. Let's go ahead and put a joke. If it's any consolation, the other 10% is being constantly exhausted from taking those risks. Actually, that's probably the perfect response for that. Let's go ahead and use it. It'd be interesting to see how all of this replying actually impacts my Twitter account. All right, so here's Chris France, who says, my favorite part about building software is seeing the results of good decisions compound over time. I love watching the positive ripple effect of my work. It's so rewarding to see the end result. Okay, yeah, that's a good one. So there you have it. That's Replai.so, a cool little tool that so far I've been using for free. It's a Chrome extension that helps you come up with replies for Twitter. Not every single reply is perfect, but it definitely helps get some inspiration, some juices flowing in the brain on what to actually reply on tweets. Now, if you want to find more cool tools like this, head on over to Futurism.io. It's a site that I've been building out. It's totally free. You can find all sorts of cool AI tools or whatever you're trying to do. If you're trying to grow a YouTube channel like I am, come over here into the search, type YouTube. It'll show you all the cool tools that'll help you grow a YouTube channel using AI. You a podcaster? Come up here, type podcast. It'll show you a bunch of cool tools that you can use to help grow and automate your podcast. Just come up here, try different stuff. Maybe you're an SEO person. Here's a bunch of tools that you can use for SEO. So a lot of cool stuff in here, and not only tools, but now we've got a news section that curates all of the latest news going on in the AI world. We've got a blog and a podcast going for future tools, lots and lots of cool stuff. And if you scroll down here, you can see that I'm adding new tools every single day, 24 tools in the last 24 hours. And as one final cool little thing, scroll on down, grab free access to the AI income database. It's a spreadsheet of a bunch of different ways to make money using various AI tools. So in this spreadsheet, it'll have the sort of method name, the description of how you actually do it, and the tools that you would need to do it. And you can create all sorts of passive and non-passive income streams using AI tools. Simply enter your email. I'll send you access to that Google Sheet right away. Either way, head over to futuretools.io. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one.